What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another cryptocurrency video. It's the 13th of June. Today, we're taking a look at Casper and / Tether, CSPR USDT, guys, as this thing continues its move to the downside. Welcome all of the new subscribers, current subscribers. Appreciate it, guys. Big day for potentially big day for the XRP community. Perhaps the rest of the crypto market as well, as the William Hinman emails are supposed to be released today to the public. I don't know too much about it, but I have been following, and today seems to be the day for that. So let's see what happens, if it has any effect on the XRP price and any related cryptocurrencies, and perhaps the rest of the market. When this SEC lawsuit is behind us, the SEC and XRP, hopefully it sheds some light and opens up some clarity for the cryptocurrency market and not so many unknowns, but we'll see what happens with that. Guys, we're taking a look at the daily chart of Casper. CSPR USDT is the ticker symbol. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Put out an XRP video yesterday, and as Casper continues to head lower, it's time to reevaluate what's going on here. A couple good things with the chart. So we are obviously still in this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or so to the downside. Looks like we're doing a little bottom fishing here. The price is, we're sitting at some very nice support. Just ran some calculations, came up with some new levels. Got a level down here, potential support at 370. Big old cluster of prices down here, a lot of support. But another level that I ran some calculations on came up at 395, guys. This orange line right here. And you can see the price wicked down to that level on the 10th. And currently we're sitting just above it at 396. Let me show you on the 3-minute time frame. So we're trading just at that level. You can see we wicked down to it, came above it, found resistance at 415. Look at that. Perfect. Came right back down to 395, and we're trading above and below currently. So we'll see if that holds. We will see if that holds. Doesn't hold, then we're heading down to the 370, 365, 363 area, guys, right in here. Keep your eyes on the low of the 10th. That low is 0.0385, and our low today so far is 0.0390. So keep your eye on that low from the 10th. See if that holds, because at any moment now we could be printing a higher low. So we had this big move lower here, right? Traded up. That turned out to be our lower high. We spoke about that, although we didn't know if that was going to be the lower high. Pulled back as we're trading lower, new low. Okay, clock resets. Traded higher. Okay, so far this is nothing but a lower high, but we're pulling back here. Is this a higher low? And then we start to get that move. That can be a very strong move higher into a higher high, giving us a change in trend. So it can happen quick. Keep your eye on that. But I would imagine that most of the people, at least watching this video, either hold Casper or they are buying Casper at these levels. It's down quite a bit off the highs back in May. Looks like, let's see where we're currently at. We're down 30, 36, 38% from that high that was put in on the 1st. So pretty interesting, but we're pulling back here to a big area of support, but doesn't quite look like the move is over yet. But like I said, keep an eye on that low from the 10th. We could be in a trend reversal here, getting ready to bounce. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. We'll come back to the Casper chart. Guys, let me know if you're a new subscriber down in the comments, or have you been around for a while. Let's take a look at BTC. So BTC, you can see I got some current drawings on my chart from a couple videos back. Support so far is holding, which is nice to see for the rest of the market. Right around, so we have a couple levels here, 25,760, 26,23. We have one up there, or one down there at 25,726. All in here, market pulled back to that, and we're holding. There's a chance that this thing's going to hold here and we rally. You know, maybe this is just a big pause, although it is very toppy looking. A big pause in the next leg higher. Talked about it before. There's potential for the price to head down into this basically 24.8 or so level, which would represent the top end of this range, as well as this trading range right in here. Doesn't have to, but there's a chance that that could happen. And then there's also that chance that the price goes down to the 22,600s. Big support, potential support right in there. But so far, don't want to argue with what's happening. And what's happening right now is price is finding some support right around the 26, 23, 25, 760. But if things start to turn south, start to look for these lows right in here. So you have the 5th, 6th, and the 10th of June. If those lows start to break, heads up below, we could see a pretty red market quickly. Casper today is currently down 2.7%. When this thing does find its bottom, you know, and we could be in it today, could be basically the first candle here into a new uptrend, because it could potentially be a higher low. We don't know that yet. We've got to keep your eye on it. The next major resistance will be up here at 466 will be the major resistance, 0.0466. And of course, keep in mind, we could have some trouble at 415 as well as 435. But there's a lot of, you can see this old area of support, which broke strong potential resistance above the market. So that would be good for a, let's say, we go right from 395 to that, basically an 18% move. So that's kind of all I got here for Casper. You're getting a good discount. You're getting a 30+% discount right now from the highs. This thing's still sitting only at 3, call it almost 4 cents, guys. So let me know your thoughts on Casper long term. Let me know, what do you think will happen today if and when they release all of this documentation with William Hinman? Will it affect the price? Is it already priced in? Will the price drop like a rock? Do you think XRP is about to have a massive, massive breakout? And if it does, do you think it'll pull the rest of the market with it? Do you think it'll pull Casper with it? Do you think it'll pull other cryptocurrencies along with it, along with Bitcoin, which will definitely help Casper? I mean, this thing is basically poised here for a, doesn't mean it'll happen, but it looks like it's ready for a big, big breakout. Let me try to show this here on the chart. Big breakout to come here. Major resistance at 55 cents. You know, I think this is the 4th time around, so we could see a big breakout past that resistance, unless it's going to act as resistance for, you know, another time, and then the market actually drops much lower. So that is a concern of mine, especially with XRP. It's pretty good at disappointing, but I mean, this thing is setting up like an inverse, you know, call it an inverse head and shoulders, some kind of a big breakout pattern that usually take place to the upside. So anyways, that's a side note on that. So let me know how long you've been around. Let me know your thoughts on Casper, and keep your eye, guys. We could be setting up that higher low. And then what is to come, what follows that is that next higher high. It could be a pretty big move, but we'll have to see. If Bitcoin drops lower, like I just talked about, there's a good chance Casper will not be breaking out. Bitcoin has a big green candle coming up. There's a good chance we could start to see a higher high here for Casper. And, potentially the bottom is in. Get that change in trend, that higher low and higher high. So that's just my thoughts, guys. Not financial advice, of course, but it has been interesting, pretty mannerly, sell-off downtrend here. Not like a straight red candle. So we'll see eventually this thing. It's getting close. Somewhere in here we will find some support. You guys have a great day. It's the 13th of June. Potentially a big day for the XRP community and maybe the rest of the market. We'll see what happens. You guys have a good one. Thanks for hanging around. Have a great day.